Hello, my name is Halima Sadia and I will be talking you through how to use Microsoft Access. Okay, to get started you will need to go on the Start button and go onto Microsoft Office, which will then take you onto these options. You then click onto Access 2013, which will then take you onto this page. Click onto Blank Desktop Database and rename the file to what you want it. For now I will be using Blythe Valley Hotel. You then click onto the folder icon and save this where you want it to be saved. Okay, you then click create. Now you will need to go onto view, which is in the left hand corner, and click onto design view. You then rename the table to what you want it to be and click OK, which will then take you onto this page. So now you will need to enter the appropriate field name. For this I will be using forename. You'll then need to go into data type and click the appropriate data type. I will be using long text. And now the appropriate description. The second one I will be using is surname, and I will be choosing long text. Third one, date of birth. And the description will be fourth one is the email address, and for this I will be using long text. Fifth one is rooms booked, and for this I will be choosing number. For this I will be choosing food, and the data type will be yes or no. Now you create your database by saving it. Now you have created your table. For the forenames you will have to write the forenames of the guests. Surname of the guest. The date of birth of the guests. The email. If this comes up, then you will need to enter the date of birth. You will need to make it up. So then the email of the guests. Next one will be So now I will be filling the rest in like this. You need to carry on until you have finished. Now you have done this, you will need to click the X and click onto the Blythe Valley Hotel, and it is completed. You then click onto Create and go onto Query Wizard, which will then take you to this, and click OK. Now you select the ones you want. I will be selecting forenames, surnames, room booked and food, and click onto Next. Then carry on clicking onto Next and then click onto Finish. Here's your completed table. Click onto X and then that's been saved. You then go back onto the first table and click onto Form. And here's the completed form. And then you could change any bits or take out any bits you want. And now it's been completed. All the other forms are still there, all completed and done. You then click onto X and click onto Save. Rename the form name if you want. I will be naming mine Blythe Valley Hotel Foods. You then click onto Create to create a report. You then go onto Report, and here's the final report which has been finished. You can now take out anything you want which we don't want. Your report has now been done. Click onto X and click onto Save again. Rename this to what you want. I will be naming mine Blythe Valley Hotel Rooms Booked. You have now made your table of queries, foods, and forms, and rooms booked. Your database is now completed. Thank you for watching my video.